To achieve something in life, you've got to do what needs to be done, and do it when it is required to be done. Motivation is the only thing that can keep you laser focused on what needs to get done and make sure that you do it successfully. In the scenario where you lose motivation, there's a very high chance of you not succeeding in what you set out to do. Identifying methods of motivating yourself can be very helpful. It's also paramount to know the things that may be weakening your motivation so you can tackle them and guarantee success. Let's take a look at some of the habits that may be destroying your motivation. Number 1. Failing to set goals. The lack of not having a concrete goal can easily detach you from doing anything that may be productive. Failing to set goals is the same as planning to fail, because without having a clear purpose, you're not going to feel the urge to keep going, and you might not even get started in the first place, and it's for sure going to keep you uninspired and unmotivated. Number 2. Being indecisive. Being indecisive is one of the perks that breaks motivation. It makes you overthink or overanalyze your decisions and makes you unable to be confident in your decisions because it naturally makes you afraid of making a bad decision. Indecisiveness can go as far as making you not commit even after you've made a decision. To get rid of indecisiveness, set deadlines for making decisions. Number 3. Giving up too easily. One of the major reasons why people find it difficult to achieve a goal is because the time frames are unrealistic. This is because people generally expect relatively fast progress, and when the results don't come quick enough, they simply give up. A clear example of this is people who are overweight and want to lose weight, but only to give up when they don't see any results in the first week of working out. Success is never a fast-paced phenomenon, and if you want to have a success story, you've just got to keep going. Number 4. Procrastination. Procrastination is a quick killer of motivation. Procrastinating can quickly cause you to not see reason to achieve your goals until it's too late. You can solve procrastination by setting milestones in your goals. You can simply add a reward for yourself when planning tasks, and you can also plan to do your favorite thing: a sit out, a vacation, a movie, anything you want to do. Number 5. Getting distracted. There are plenty of things that we can do to make time fly by so swiftly. Scrolling through a social feed, playing games, or watching TV may seem a whole lot more interesting to us than the short tasks that we need to achieve. But you must learn to desist from such distractions, as they can lead to failure in completing tasks and achieving goals. Procrastination, distraction, and all these other things are often associated with each other. If it means turning off or muting your phone, turning off the TV, or even letting your friends borrow your game away from your home while you are working on tasks, then so be it, because it's going to ensure the successful completion of your goal. Number 6. Fruitless comparison. Fruitless comparison can kill your motivation. When you measure the success, attractiveness, lifestyle, or material wealth of others and compare it to yourself, it can quickly kill your motivation and can likely lead to depression. In order to build and develop a strong, lasting motivation, you need intrinsic confidence. It is that confidence that grows from self-believing in yourself and having genuine pride in the things you've done. Having fruitless comparison will not help you achieve this confidence. Number 7. Running without walking. There is this feeling of restlessness when you set out to achieve a goal. If you want to jump at the end and you want the good part, you want to boom, you want to go viral and be recognized, you want to read headlines about your success and just can't wait, well, this is when you get excited about making your dreams where you are running without walking. Having this kind of feeling would make you overlook the important lessons you have learned along the way as you climb up the ladder of success. And when you tread on this fast track, you're going to fail, and failure comes when you fall flat on your face, and you might not see the reason to even want to do it anymore or even know what you are doing, and your motivation may just die. There are no shortcuts to success. If you want to stay motivated with yourself and your dreams, and complete each task as it comes each and every day. All of the habits listed in this video are not permanent and can be sorted out. If you've got one or more of the habits, try focusing on ways to end them, and your success is guaranteed. What do you think? Do you find it difficult to keep yourself motivated? If so, which habits are getting in the way of your success? Let us know down below, and don't forget to give us a like.